Joseph A. Bailey, author of Memoirs of a Muppets Writer. Tell us about teaching Einstein's theory of relativity on Sesame Street.
Okay, in the early 70s, Sesame Street research came up with the fact that there was a secondary benefit to kids, 2-year-olds, being able to recite the alphabet. And that benefit was they got such tremendous positive feedback from adults that it spurred them on to learn other things, like maybe how to count. So it occurred to me that if they got a lot of praise and feedback for reciting the alphabet, supposing that they recited something a little bit more difficult, like, for example, Einstein's theory of relativity. So I came up with a scene with a little chalk talk with Big Bird in front of a blackboard. And if you think about it, the kids know them all. They know the letter E. They know the 2 little lines mean equal. They know the letter M. They know the letter C. They know the number 2. And they know what a square is. So he talks him through this chalk talk. E equals MC squared. You know, come on, say it after me. E equals MC squared. Repeat it. Maybe there was a little jingle at the end of it. And then I wrote him a line. He says, and you say that to the next grown-up you see, and you watch what happens. So I took it into John Stone, who was the executive producer, and he loved it. We thought, boy, isn't it going to be fun, all these 2-year-olds running around going, E equals MC squared, you know, and the reaction they're going to get and how much fun it's going to be. So terrific. And he added the line, and if anybody asks you where you learned that, you tell them you learned it on Sesame Street. So great, we're off and running. Now, but unfortunately, it never sees the light of screen because the research department, whom we usually got around, bounced it. And it came back to me with a note saying I'm not actually teaching Einstein's theory of relativity. So I fired back a memo saying, could you please explain to me how I am not actually teaching Einstein's theory of relativity, okay? That was 1975, and I'm still waiting to hear, and I'm not holding my breath. But E does equal MC squared.
Thank you.